Okay, this is.
Yeah, that one. But then, see, there's like, this one. Maybe.
This one.
And then, more importantly, you can see the wood below is like.
All the way.
Interestingly, only until here. Because after that, you get to the original wood, which was treated with the. Because this stuff was apparently redone about 10 years ago, where this one is original. So this one's fine.
Even though it's older, it's fine.
Yeah, it's like tree. I mean, you can touch it. I mean, you tell me.
Nah, yeah.
Yeah, it's much older.
Much older, yeah.
Yeah.
It depends how they treat it, right?
Yeah. So then, that's why. I mean, if you want, we'd be interested in a quote for what it would take to like.
Whoa, this is unreal.
This is 44.
I'm
44. No, I'm 44. Length is 13 and a half. 13 foot 4.5 inches right now. Height is 2.5. Height is 2 feet 4 inches. 2 feet 4 inches, and this is 7 feet almost. Less than 7. نیست دقیق ولی 7. The height is 2 feet. 2 feet here.
پستم داره.
Post هم داره. This is between. This is 31 inch, and that one is. Whoa.
Oh, careful! That is not stable.
This is exactly 8 feet. This fence here. Here.
اینا در و داغونه مثل اون طرفه.
فنساش bad نیست. The height is 2 feet here, and the length is. And this is 16 feet. 16 feet. This is 2.5. This is real as a big, 2.5. The fence itself is 20 inches. 20 inches. This is 65. 65. 65. 20. 21. 20 and a half. 20 and a half inches. This is 2 feet. 2 feet. This is 16. Height is 12. And this is 22. Here the height is same, 12. Length is 22 between the two posts. Yeah, this thing needs new posts as well. I don't think this post can be redone. It's gonna be rotten. Yeah.
Yeah, you can't use the rock.
No. اینا همون 16 است فکر کنم. شونزه و نیم. So this was 16 and a half. Okay. This box here is 50 inches. And the length of it is again 17 inches. The height of it is gonna be from the behind this thing. It's بیشتره. It's 32. It's 32. 32 here, the same thing. 32.
اینجا هم هست بیا یه از اینجاش باید بگیری
This garden box from here to there is
how much
138 inches from here to there. Also, they want a quote for this part. I have to measure it all. Uh, 523 inches. اگه این بیشتره this is 15 feet. This is 15 feet. Yeah, it's all about depends on what kind of material they used to treat it, you know.
this one
Oh, this is done too. This one's done. Okay, this thing's done. It's 2 feet by
یه تریپی
until the first stair it's 62 inches, the second stair 74 inches,
این هم 3 فیته
3 feet. Okay, the height here is how many inches? 45.
4 feet
45, 4 feet. Yeah, 4 feet. 4 feet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. Each step is how long? 8 long, 12 run. 8 long, 12 run. Yeah, each stair is 8 long, 12 run. Yeah. This is 4 feet. 4 feet, and yeah, this is 5 feet. That is 7 foot and a half, 7.5 feet.
هایتش هم 12
This at the یه لحظه ولی میگیرمش نمیخواد. Here is 51. 51.
برو کلش میگی نمیخوای
گرفتم. این دیگه 5 تا استپ میشه حسابش کرد. دومیش میشه اینجا 62. Third step. No, first step was 62. Second step 75. And then
بیا اینم تا اینجا 15 تا
the height is 45. The height is 45.
15 فیت هم هایته 15 فیت هم لنتشه
15 feet lengthشه.
بیا
15 feet. 15 feet is the length here.
خب اینجا هایتش هم
Heightش هم 55. 55 was over there. Here is what? 54. Yeah, 55.
اینا چیه اینا
نه نه اونا رو فکر نکنم بخواد دست بزنه. اینا هم تمومه. اون میخواد نمیدونم میخواد. This is 103 Sadose. یه لحظه.
دور بزن.
26 99 32 32, and the width of the pathway here is 44 44. از اونجا تا اینجا 67 feet. Sizes are 2 6x4. 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 This is 44. The middle width is 31 and a half. This is 70 from there to here. This is 14 feet exactly. This is exactly 14 feet. You guys are strata here or living?
What is it? Strata?
Yeah,
Yeah, strata.
Strata? Okay.
10 units though, so it's a little bit,
Yeah.
it's more like a collection of homeowners in like a bureaucratic kind of strata style. So.
Oh, okay.
Is that a drone?
127. This one. This garden bed is 18 by 71 by 38 by 75. This is the problem with these is they're small, lots of cuts. If it's like a long, tall, straight wall, it would be cheaper, but this is complicated. This makes it more complicated. 14 foot 2 inches.
To replace these?
Maybe if you want to make it cheaper with wood again.
Okay.
You have to, if you want to, yeah, make it end up cheaper, you have to do wood again. Otherwise, block costs more. Wood is 20% cheaper, 20-25%. It's not like way cheaper.
Like there's no continuity with the rest of it.
7 foot 4 inches from here, there to here. Height is 14. The height here is like what, 18. The height here is
How would you guys do this one over here?
it's 4, so it'd be 16. Here the height is 5, so it's like 20 inches. 20 inches. Here it's less, 1.5 feet. I mean 1 foot 2 inches. Here it's like 8 inches. Yeah, here the height is 2 feet. Here it's 46. there to here it's 16. And this is another 3. So let's say 20. The length of the wall from there to here is 30 feet 2 inches. From there to here, 30 feet 2 inches. Okay, this is the entire project. This is what's 4 foot 3 inches. 4 foot 3 inches at the beginning, and this width is what? 4 foot. 4 foot. This is what it looks like.
Makes sense, right? It's like yeah. Doesn't help. Right? It can't.
And that's where it's like the most
پستانش باید بگیری یا پستا
1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. That's 21 posts. The outside here is 3 posts. Yeah, something like that. It's 20 and a half
Again.
by
I know, but I just want to know if it's like 4 or 5. You know what I mean?
by 160 by 163.
You know what I mean?
The size of the bench.
Yeah.
This one's a lot easier. You see, there's no it's not interrupted. There's no posts or anything. So it's all about, you know, ease of access. So this one would be a lot easier to replace compared to these guys.
Oh, they're still going with this place. Good. I actually appreciated it. I was like, no. That was
11 feet. Here, 11 feet.
one person. Very easy.
by بذار طول کلش از اول داری 39. This is 39. 39. The height here is 32. 32. Here it's 24. 3 steps here. First step is 8. Second step 8. Third step 8. The run is 12. 12. 6. And this one runs here 58. 58. 58. 9 foot and a half. 9.5 foot. Am I doing just the garden beds or doing the stairs and everything as well? This part as well?
Well, not all at the same time.
Maybe, yeah, let's stop there. We'll stop. You gotta draw a line somewhere.
Yeah. I think
This is what? This is 31. 31. in case I didn't measure it, I measured one more time. 66 is the width with the two 6 inches. From the inside, it's 54 inches. 54 inches.
Right there.
Yeah.
It's not like it's in any better shape.
نام هست اگه باید در نظر بگیریم.
آره. 39. از اول یه بار دیگه بگیریش که تا این پله من چیز کنم، اندازه بگیرم. This is 22 feet until the beginning of the step. From there to here it's 22 feet. And then
Told me he'd replace the one in your place.
Double checking. I
I was
appreciate
double
that.
checking.
68.
Did he?
Yes. Yeah, yeah. Well, I went up
68
and
is
filled the
here.
whole thing for him to do it.
This
See ya.
one,
Talk to you later, Sam. Yeah. Yeah, I just
56.
wanted to- yeah, let me make sure it's there.
56. This is 34. 34. 34.
Yeah, they do chimney walls, landscape.
یه لحظه. This is 44. This is 44. It's 81. And then from the beginning to the end, it's 39, 39 and a half. 39 and a half. And the depth is
Banana! Pineapple! Pineapple! Two pineapples?
3 foot
Two
46. 46 is the width of the garden bed.